In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could check your match history here in Arc Raiders. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, get loaded into Arc Raiders, but don't be in a game. Essentially, what you're going to want to do is stay on the home menu right here, and up at the very top, you're going to see a Raider tab. Go ahead and select that. After you select that, all you're going to need to go ahead and do is scroll down, and you're going to see all these different tabs. Go ahead and select Codex. Just keep in mind you have to play 5 rounds on here first, but it should be the last option for you. Essentially, just go ahead and open it up, and once you are inside, go up to the very top and select Player Stats. And on the right-hand side, you'll see Round History, which is going to show you your recent matches, including whether you were knocked out or extracted safely and how long each match lasted. There's going to be some other basic details on there as well. Just scroll down to review all your recent games and see how you've been performing. It really is as simple as that, though. That is how you could check your match history here in Arc Raiders. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.